Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to talk about what cost is and its main elements. First, let's begin with a simple definition. Cost is the amount of money, resource, or effort that a company uses to produce a good or provide a service. In other words, it represents everything a business must invest in order to create something, and after it the market cost is very important because it helps companies determine principles, control except and measures profits. If a company does not understand its cost, it can lose money even if it is selling a lot of products. There are three fundamental elements. Number one, the first element is a direct material. Direct material are the raw materials that are directly used in the production of the product of can be easily identified in the first result. These materials are essential because they form of main part of the product. Number two, direct labor. Direct labor is the second element. Direct labor. Direct labor refer to the work performed by employers who are directly investment in the manufacturing or creation of a product. The workers are responsible for transforming raw materials into foundation goods. Number three, manufacture overhead. The third element is manufacture overhead. Also are direct cost, indirect cost. There are all the other costs required for production that cannot to directly trust to the specific product. Every time these costs are the not directly visible in the for product they are it recursive. Conclusion is cost is the total investment required to produce a good the service. It demand and the main element direct materials, direct labor, manufacture under one. There of these elements plays and locate rate in the production process. Thank you.
What is costs? Costs are all the economic resource a company keeps up to production a good or provide a service in order to generate income. This includes money spent on materials, labor, and other expenses directly related to production. In simple terms, costs are everything a company needs to invest to operate and create its production of services. Understanding costs is important because it helps business control their spend and make better financial decisions.
Hello, my name is Yosneidys Chico. Today I will explain what direct costs are and their importance. Indirect costs are costs that cannot be directly assigned to a specific product, This means that you cannot easily identify one much of the cost belong to this product. Some common examples of indirect costs are leasing, rent, maintenance, and supervised salary. These costs are named for production, but they are not part and single products. Indirect costs are indefinite. These costs are necessary for production, but they are not part one single product. Indirect costs are different from direct costs. Direct costs like material and indirect labor can be assigned to one product. Companies use different methods to allocate indirect costs. For example, they use labor or match hours. In conclusion, indirect costs are essential for production and business operation. Indirect and cannabis direct and sale data are very important.